Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to help you succeed online. Today, we're diving into how to add affiliate products in TikTok Shop for 2025. With TikTok's rapid updates, this feature is a game changer for creators looking to monetize their content and earn passive income. Whether you're a newbie influencer or a seasoned seller, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, ensure your TikTok account is set up for success. Make sure it's a business account and fully verified. Head to your profile settings, go to Business Account, and complete any verification steps required for 2025, like linking a payment method or providing business details. This is crucial because TikTok Shop is only available to eligible accounts. Once that's done, apply for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Open the TikTok app, navigate to the Shop tab, and look for the Affiliate Center. Fill out the application form with your personal info, niche, and why you're a great fit. Approval might take a few days, but it's worth it for the earning potential. After getting approved, browse the affiliate product catalog. TikTok has expanded its options for 2025, so search for products in your area of expertise, like fashion, tech, or beauty. Check commission rates and select ones that align with your audience. Now, to add a product, go to the selected item in the catalog and hit Add to My Shop. Customize your listing by adding engaging descriptions, high-quality images, and even short videos to make it pop. Remember, eye-catching content drives sales. Finally, promote your affiliate products in your TikTok videos. Use features like product tags or links in your bio to direct followers to your shop. Track your progress in the analytics dashboard to see what's converting and tweak your strategy. There you have it. You're now ready to start earning with TikTok Shop affiliates in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.